Hey lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and today's video is going to be another press-on video. Yes, so I am just showing you the nails. I've already picked up the sizes and they're already on the stand ready to go. I used the Makartt 24-piece summer gels and I am using the yellow and purple from that kit, as well as a nude pink and then a pink pink. I also use the lavender, violet, white and black. These are all gel, by the way, guys, and you need a lamp to cure. I also use the Beetles matte top coat and then the base coat and top coat from that Makartt 24-piece gel kit as well. I do also use the Blue Sky Builder gel, but those rhinestones I do not end up using in this video. I end up using AB flatback crystals. So yeah, I changed my mind and they look better. I'm glad I did. They look really good. So now I'm just applying a nice even layer of not top coat, sorry, it's base coat. Base coat to each of the nails, and I cure then for 60 seconds. I forgot to buff the shine out of these nails. I would recommend doing it, but I didn't because I forgot. And I was actually doing these nails at 2 AM because I'm insane. And I don't know what sleep is anymore with this lockdown. I don't even know what routine is anymore. Anywho, I wasn't sure how these were going to turn out. But oh my gosh, guys, I want to pat myself on the back. I did so bloody good. I am so chuffed. Okay, I know it's really stupid. And, you know, it's just like drawing and everyone's going to be like, calm down, you know. It's not that big a deal. But I've always been known in the family to not be able to draw for anything. I can't draw, but I managed to draw this so well that I am so chuffed. And it's really stupid, guys, but I'm giving my props. I'm happy, you know, no one's gonna pull me down. So now I'm going in with my coloured gels, that baby pink, the lilac purpley colour, and then a nice pastel yellow. I do 2 coats of each colour just to make sure that it's full opacity. You can get away with doing 1 coat on that purple, but I would recommend 2 coats on the pink and the yellow. I then cure these for a full 60 seconds as well. I always cure my coloured gels for 60 seconds because you don't want any like wrinkling or like, do you know what I mean? Because you never know. So now this is the second coat that I'm going in with, and I make sure it's an even layer over all the nails as always, and then I cure in the lamp again for 60 seconds. Sorry. So this nail set, this was inspired by basically I seem to be seeing a lot of Mickey Mouse nails on Instagram and YouTube lately. It seems Mickey Mouse is the big thing to do. But I wanted to be a little different, and I wanted to give some props to Minnie, because Minnie's your girl, you know? She's been by Mickey's side for how many years now? I don't even know. I would Google it, but is it like 150 years or is it less? I feel like it's in between like 150 to 100. I'm not sure. So yeah, and then I cured for 6 seconds, like I said. Now I'm just going in with little blobs of each colour onto my my palette. This palette I got from a charity shop in a little bag of like painting stuff for my kids and like arts and crafts. They've got loads of these palettes, so I took this one because it was really small and I can fit it in my desk. People must think I'm insane because I have a kid's palette, but anything to do. So, you know. So I just blopped onto the palette, and now I'm just going in and making an ombre sort of glitter fade with some Your Sugar holographic glitter gel, I guess is the best way to describe it. I got these off Amazon ages and ages and ages. Actually, no, I didn't buy them. These were a gift off of someone months ago, and I used to use them in my like earlier videos because I was very limited on products. But yeah, I used them again in this one. I'm not 100% on the pinky and the thumb, but I done so well on the other 3 fingers, I don't care. I know it's really stupid, but those three main fingers that I'm doing now, that are, by the way, I'm applying matte top coat onto all of these, and I cure again for 60 seconds. So yeah, the 3 main fingers, from the ring finger to your index finger. Those are the 3 fingers that people look at when you show them your nails. So I was pretty happy of the way that these turned out, and no one is going to rain on my parade because I'm so chuffed. So anyway, now I'm going in with a top coat from Makartt. This is the shiny one, and I'm just applying that to my pinky finger and my thumb, and I cure again for 60 seconds, and those 2 nails then are done. So now I'm grabbing my detailer brush and my dotting tool, and I'm going to start painting a peekaboo. I don't know why I can't say that, it's such a normal thing. A peekaboo Minnie mouse just popping out the edge of my nail. If you mess up, what I done, because I knew that I'd mess up, in between each part that you draw onto the nail, paint onto the nail, whatever you want to do, or call it, I flash cured for 10 seconds. So once I'd gotten this down to a perfect shape, I then went and flash cured. This is how I'm wiping and cleaning my brush in between layers, by the way, because I do obviously change colours. Now I'm just going around Minnie's face with a black gel. And guys, you just need to be slow and take your time and be patient, and it's really, really not that hard. I was quite shocked. I can't draw. I am known in my family for the worst drawer, and that is not even an exaggeration. I cannot draw for crap. I'm just not a good drawer, but I was so proud of myself, and I know I keep saying that, but I'm so excited and so happy that I've done so well. So if I can do it, I know that any of you guys can do it, so just try it, and you can use any colours you like. You know, you don't have to use pink, purple and yellow. You can use pink, purple, blue, green, orange, red. This originally was going to be Mickey, but then I was like, no, I want to do Minnie, because I haven't seen anyone do Minnie so far. But I've seen a lot of people do Mickey. So I flash cured after I'd done the black outline around her face, and now I'm going in and just making a half semicircle for her nose, and I flash cure again. Then I do have like a picture for reference, and I've practiced drawing her on a piece of paper a couple of times, just to get the picture like perfect, so when I was doing it on the nail, because obviously it's smaller, I had an idea of what I was doing. So it took me a while to get that line that's above her nose that connects her eyes. Her eyes like sit on this like black line. So does Mickey's, actually. So I drew that line, and I flash cured again for 10 seconds. It's a lot of flash curing and in and out between things, but at least you know that you haven't ruined your nails. You haven't ruined the design underneath. And then once I'd finished doing the eyes, I just quickly cleaned up around the eye where I'd seen like where it was a bit wonky. I flash code again, and then I go in for the pupils and repeat the process. And it's basically that, guys. That's all I'd done. In between each bit, I flash code when I thought, right, okay, I don't want to mess this up, and I flash cure it, and that's what I done. And it was so easy, and look how easy it is, guys. And like I said, if I can draw, so can you. And I'm talking a lot in this video. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to let you carry on watching the process on what I do. And then I'll come back at the end then, guys, for the top coating and the reveal. So enjoy, and I'll speak to you in a bit. And I'm back, guys. I do apologise for the times that I do go out of frame, by the way, during this video. I was concentrating so much on what I was doing I didn't notice, which I do apologise for. So what you are seeing me do now on both those yellow nails, I apply the builder gel, and then it's only a thin layer, and then I go in with the matte top coat, and I put a layer of that over the top before pressing the rhinestones into the uncured builder gel and top coat, because I don't like it when gems catch on my hair. So this makes sure that nothing's going to catch, if you know what I mean. So then I cured that for 60 seconds, and then I go in with the matte top coat over the Minnie Mouse, not Mickey Mouse, the Minnie Mouse nail, and cure again for a full 60 seconds. You can do these shiny. I just like to do a matte when I do nail art, because I found that you see them better instead of it being shiny. So this is what they look like on the stand, and I'm going to stick them onto my nails now. And this is the reveal, guys. I really enjoyed doing the set, and I'd highly recommend you guys trying it. I think it's great and it's simple. It might take a few tries to do the mini design, but you'll get there. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below on what you think. I hope you're all staying safe, keep on smiling, and I will see you all soon. Thank you again, guys. Bye.